Welcome to my YouTube channel. Investing can be a tricky game, especially when it comes to making decisions based on market trends and economic indicators. However, what many people may not realize is that there is a psychological component to investing that can have a big impact on your decision-making process. This is where the field of behavioral finance comes in. Behavioral finance is an area of study that looks at the psychological and emotional factors that can influence investment decisions. By understanding the way our minds work and the biases that can affect our thinking, we can make more informed investment decisions that take into account our own behavior and tendencies. In this video, we'll explore the basics of behavioral finance and how it can help you become a better investor. We'll discuss common biases and heuristics that can lead to poor investment decisions, and provide tips on how to avoid them. So, whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, watch and learn how behavioral finance can help you make smarter investment decisions. Introduction to behavioral finance. What is it and why is it important? So, what exactly is behavioral finance? It is the study of how human emotions, biases, and cognitive errors influence financial decision-making. By understanding these psychological factors, investors and financial professionals can gain valuable insights into why certain investment choices are made and how to navigate the complexities of the market. Why is behavioral finance important? Well, it challenges the notion that financial markets are always efficient and that investors always make rational decisions. It helps explain why individuals often make biased and irrational choices, leading to market inefficiencies and potential investment pitfalls. By recognizing and understanding these behavioral biases, investors can become more aware of their own decision-making processes and avoid common pitfalls. Additionally, financial professionals can use this knowledge to design better investment strategies and provide more effective guidance to their clients. In this video, we will delve deeper into the various concepts and theories within behavioral finance. From the influence of emotions on investment decisions to the impact of cognitive biases, we will explore how these factors shape our financial choices and ultimately impact our investment outcomes. So, buckle up and get ready to unravel the mysteries of behavioral finance. By gaining a better understanding of the psychology behind investment decisions, you'll be better equipped to navigate the complex world of finance and make more informed choices for your financial future. Cognitive biases. Exploring common biases that affect investment decisions. One common cognitive bias is the confirmation bias, where individuals tend to seek out information that confirms their existing beliefs or opinions. In the context of investing, this means that investors may selectively focus on information that supports their investment decisions, while ignoring or downplaying contradictory evidence. This bias can prevent investors from critically evaluating different perspectives and considering alternative investment strategies. Another prevalent bias is the herd mentality or the bandwagon effect. This bias stems from our innate desire to conform and be part of a group. In investment terms, it manifests as investors following the crowd and making decisions based on others' actions rather than on objective analysis. This can lead to a herd mentality, where investors buy when the market is bullish and sell when it is bearish, often resulting in buying high and selling low. Loss aversion is yet another cognitive bias that significantly impacts investment decisions. It refers to the tendency of individuals to strongly prefer avoiding losses over acquiring gains. This bias can lead investors to hold on to losing investments for longer than necessary, hoping to recover their losses, instead of cutting their losses and reallocating their funds to more promising opportunities. Understanding these cognitive biases is crucial for investors as it allows them to recognize when their decision-making process may be influenced by these biases. By being aware of these biases, investors can take steps to counteract their effects and make more rational and informed investment decisions. In the next section, we will delve deeper into some of these cognitive biases and explore practical strategies to mitigate their impact on investment choices. Stay tuned to gain a better understanding of how psychology drives investment behavior and learn how to navigate the complex world of finance with a more objective mindset. Loss aversion. Understanding the fear of losses and its impact on investment behavior. This innate fear of losses can have a profound impact on investment decisions. Investors who are influenced by loss aversion tend to be more risk-averse and exhibit certain biased behaviors. For instance, they may hold on to losing investments for too long, hoping to recover their losses, even when the rational decision would be to cut their losses and move on. Loss aversion can also lead to inaction or a reluctance to take on new investment opportunities. The fear of potential losses can overshadow the potential gains, causing individuals to miss out on potentially profitable investments. Understanding this psychological bias is crucial for investors and financial professionals alike. By recognizing the impact of loss aversion, investors can make more informed decisions and develop strategies to mitigate its negative effects. One approach to counteracting loss aversion is diversification. By spreading investments across different asset classes, sectors, and geographies, investors can reduce the impact of potential losses on their overall portfolio. Diversification helps to minimize the risk associated with individual investments and provides a cushion against market volatility. Another strategy is to focus on long-term goals and adopt a disciplined investment approach. By keeping a long-term perspective and sticking to a well-defined investment plan, investors can avoid making impulsive decisions driven by short-term market fluctuations. Furthermore, education and awareness play a crucial role in overcoming loss aversion. By understanding the underlying psychological biases that influence investment behavior, investors can develop a more rational and objective mindset. This can be achieved through reading books, attending seminars, or working with financial advisors who can provide guidance and support. In conclusion, loss aversion is a powerful psychological bias that significantly impacts investment decisions. Recognizing and understanding this bias is essential for investors seeking to make informed and rational choices. By diversifying investments, adopting a disciplined approach, and increasing financial literacy, investors can navigate the challenges posed by loss aversion and achieve their long-term investment goals. Anchoring bias: how our tendency to rely on initial information influences investment choices. Imagine you're considering investing in a particular stock. You come across an article highlighting a positive aspect of the company, such as a recent product launch. This initial piece of information becomes your anchor, and you subconsciously give it more weight than it deserves. As a result, you may be inclined to view the stock as a promising investment opportunity, despite other factors that may suggest otherwise. Anchoring bias can cloud our judgment and prevent us from fully considering all available information. It can lead to overconfidence in our decisions and make us reluctant to adjust our investment strategy based on new developments or market conditions. To overcome anchoring bias, it is crucial to gather and analyze a wide range of information before making investment decisions. Conduct thorough research, consult multiple sources, and consider diverse perspectives. By doing so, you can reduce the influence of initial information and make more objective and informed choices. Additionally, it can be helpful to seek external input and advice. Engaging with financial professionals or joining investment communities can provide valuable insights and challenge your anchoring biases. Recognizing and understanding anchoring bias is the first step in mitigating its impact on investment decisions. By remaining vigilant and taking a more comprehensive approach to assessing information, you can make more rational and effective investment choices. It's essential to remember that markets are dynamic, and anchoring to initial information may limit your ability to adapt and capitalize on new opportunities. Thanks for watching. Kindly like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification button for more amazing video.